Boruto learns to master the Jogan Susanoo. Today's fanfiction will be focused on how Boruto will learn about the Jogan Beast. Don't forget to subscribe to not miss any future content, and let's begin. The clash between the Earth Shinobis and the superiors from the Otsutsuki clan was just around the corner. The most strongest Shinobis, Naruto and Sasuke, who had a really huge nerf after fighting Ishiki Otsutsuki, were really worried about this terrifying situation. Naruto's student cum son Kawaki had been trying to explain to everyone that why they should send all the humans to another dimension. Kawaki's intentions were really pure and he wanted to do this for the sake of the shinobi world. But nobody stood by his side in his plan, and his last hope was his so-called brother Boruto. But Boruto also refused in becoming a part of Kawaki's plan, which was going to lead to their fallout in the long term. Boruto knew very well that at this rate, he won't be able to face the Otsutsukis as well as Kawaki, who could become an even greater danger to the shinobi world. So he decided to train with Sasuke, but deep down in his heart, he knew that it won't be enough to go against the Otsutsukis, and his friend turned foe Kawaki. One day as he was thinking about this messed up situation, he heard someone calling his name, but he couldn't understand from where the voice was coming. This freaked him out so much that he decided to take some rest and forget this incident. Upon closing his eyes, he had a dream of Otsutsuki Toneri, who reminded him of the power that he possesses in his right eye. Toneri explained him that the Jogan has the ability to summon a beast that is very similar to the Susanoo formed by a Sharingan. But in order to learn that power, he will need to train his Jogan under Toneri's guidance. However, Toneri had his time frozen on the moon by Urashiki, so this meant that Boruto will need to reach the moon first in order to free Toneri. Boruto complained that it's literally impossible for him to do something like this, but Toneri interrupted him by saying that he will need to activate his Jogan on a full moon night, which will automatically teleport him to the moon. Boruto did the same the following night and was instantly teleported to the moon where Toneri was sealed. Boruto's Jogan gleamed a white light upon seeing Toneri, which apparently brought life to the frozen Otsutsuki. Toneri then told Boruto about the Jogan beast that could be a huge help in his quest to save Earth. Upon learning this technique, Boruto will be able to release a vast amount of Otsutsuki chakra from his Jogan that would take the form of a beast which is as strong as the high-ranked Otsutsuki at full power. However, Toneri also warned Boruto that this power can have adverse side effects if overused or not used properly. The Jogan beast needs to be tamed right by the Jogan user, as it could even lead to some fatal self-injuries and can even turn the user blind. Boruto got really nervous after listening about the risks, but Toneri also told him that once he perfectly masters the Jogan, Momoshiki won't be able to take over his body. This is because the Otsutsuki chakra of the Jogan will reach each and every nerve of Boruto that will make it harder for Momoshiki to fulfill his kamification. Boruto believed in Toneri's assurance and decided to train his Jogan to make it capable of utilizing the Jogan beast and other powerful abilities. Toneri told Boruto that he will be using a special technique on him that will freeze the time around him, and he will be able to train his Jogan with ease. Toneri then used his special ability to freeze the time for Boruto and send him to some new dimension where he could focus on his training of controlling the pure eye. There were 10 different levels in the hierarchy of Jogan training, and the very first was to focus on sensing someone's chakra from millions of miles away. The final level was where Boruto would learn to use the Jogan beast, but unfortunately upon reaching level 3, Boruto lost his consciousness due to overusing the pure eye. When he opened his eyes, he found himself at the same place from where he teleported to the moon. Boruto thought about trying once again, but he realized his Jogan had unlocked a new ability, and that was to use his karma at will. As the rumors of the Otsutsuki war rose, Boruto thought about learning the Jogan beast technique later and to focus on tackling the current situation first. Toneri, who was keeping an eye on everything, knew very well that the Jogan beast will be used by Boruto in his first major battle against the evil Otsutsukis, so he decided to help him a bit more by finding a new tail beast for his father Naruto.